Hello everyone, today we install Audi A6 Intelligent Navigation. It's 12.3-inch Blu-ray high-definition large screen. Firstly, let's pry open the air conditioning control panel and then disconnect all the cables. Remove the screws that fixing the bottom of CD. Disconnect all cables from the CD and take out the CD host. Pry open the screen panel and take out the 4 screws that fix the original car screen. Then, pry open the air conditioning outlet panel and disconnect all connecting wires. Take out the screen and disconnect all cables. Pry loose the MMI control panel. Remove the 2 screws that holding the ashtray in place. This is the power cable of our Android unit. Firstly, put the power connector to the screen location. Then, remove the screws that fixing the panel on the left side. Thread the AUX audio output on the power cord to the armrest box first. Pry open the USB interface panel and thread the audio cable out from inside. Install back the USB panel and insert the audio cable holder into the AUX interface. Unplug the MMI control cable. Connect with the MMI button adapter female socket with the Android power cord. Then plug the male socket of the yellow MMI button adapter cable into the original card. Twist the screws back into the center control panel and restore the ashtray. Connect Android power cord air conditioning adapter socket to the power cord pulled out from the original car's air conditioning panel. Fix the ashtray and restore the MMI control panel. Pry open the passenger's right-hand door. Thread the 4G antenna and GPS antenna to the screen and fix the wiring at a location with good signal. Then thread the USB cable and put it in the glove box of the passenger's seat. Connect the 4G antenna, GPS antenna, USB cable, HDMI cable. Plug the screen cable and power cable into the Android box. The original car's LVDS cable, HDMI cable, and screen connection cable into the Android video adapter box. Then, insert the small speaker into the Android power cord and peel off the adhesive to be fixed. Then, fix the video adapter box with screws. Restore the air conditioning outlet panel and original car CD. Connect the male end of the air conditioning panel adapter cable to the socket on the original car's air conditioning panel. Restore the air conditioning panel. Install the iron buckle on the original car bracket to the unit bracket and fix it. Connect the screen and fix it with screws. The installation is complete. Thanks for your watching.